Hello guys, okay, Mike is waking. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to teach you guys the sugar on my tongue dance. I think this is one of the easier dances to learn. You can learn it really quickly. So without further ado, let's start. Okay, first step is sugar. You have to point in the camera. Sugar. Don't be like this, just make your hands a little loose and then point like this. Boom, you see the fingers? Like, we can move like this. Sugar. Sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. You do this with your two hands and boom, boom. Bring your pinky close to your mouth like this. Boom. Sugar on the sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. So you start with your left hand. And sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. Okay, and when you do this, if you want to level up a bit, you can use your whole body too. So you can go like this. Sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. It's really easy. You just make this C. You make a C with your body like this. So it's gonna be like, sugar on my tongue, tongue, tongue. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. It's really simple. You just stroke your hands down your body. You can even do a little wave your body as well. And each time you do this, you get a little bit closer. So it'll be like this. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. And you want to tilt your head down a little too. So it looks, I don't know, kind of seductive. I don't know if that's the correct word. Your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Invite me when you call, call. Last part's really easy. Last part's really easy. Just make a phone with your hand and then shake it like this. So that's it, man. That's really all there is to it. Let me do a demonstration. Okay. Wait. I forgot the other. Okay, there's a third part. So, your body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Invite me when you come, come, come. So this part is really easy. You just do like a little come with your fingers. Like you can do it however you want. Just like come, come. And you want to use your shoulders too. Don't be like just like this. So be like, and you come, come, come. And you turn your body too. So like turn your body this way, come, other way, come. And that's really is. Invite me and you do. All right, let's do it one more time. I forgot that part. All right, sorry guys. Okay. Body is so sweet, sweet, sweet. Come, come, come. That's it, guys. Hope you guys learned the dance. Hopefully, my explanation isn't doesn't it didn't really confuse you. I know that I kind of forgot to teach you guys that step, so hope you guys won't find this tutorial confusing, and hope you guys have fun and learn the dance. I thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys.